Good morning students. Let's start our today's class. In yesterday's class we were discussing about money. Okay. The conversion from lower to higher units, from higher to lower units, that we have revised yesterday. And today we will revise the word problems. Clear? So let's start. I have written one question in the board. The question is, Sajal bought oranges for rupees 132 and 80 paise, apples for rupees 87 and 95 paise, and guavas for rupees 73 and 40 paise. What is the total amount paid by Sajal? Here the three items are bought and you have to find the total money spent in these three things. Okay, so you can write your own statement. What statement you will write? That cost of, first is given oranges, so you will write cost of oranges. Okay, so start writing. First one, cost of oranges. It is given rupees 132.80. Then cost of apples. It is given rupees 87.95. And the next one is given cost of guavas. It is given rupees 73.40. Now you have to find the answer for these three items. Okay, that means you have to add. Okay, so let's add. Therefore the total money is equals to, this will be 5, then 8 plus 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, carry 2, 7, 10, 14, carry 1, 7, 10, 18, 19, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, that is rupees 294 and 15 paise. So at the end you will write the answer that the total amount paid by Sajal was rupees 294.15. Okay, so this is the answer for addition. Now one more question we will do, that is from subtraction. Okay, so for that I have to rub the board. Question number 2. A shopkeeper purchased a bat for rupees 163 and 25 paise and sold it for rupees 205. Now how much money did he earn? We have to find that how much profit he has earned. So what you will write? First he has sold the bat. Okay, so selling price of bat is equals to rupees 205. Then cost price of bat, the shopkeeper has bought the bat from rupees 163.25. Now how much money did he earn? Therefore money earned is equals to, now subtract, this will be 5, 7, 5 and 4. Okay, so 41 rupees and 75 paise. We will write the answer that the shopkeeper earned rupees 41 and 75 paise from the bat, or just this one. Okay, so this is question number 2. Now let's write question number 3. Now question number 3. If the cost of each packet of biscuits is rupees 23 and 85 paise, find the cost of 16 such packets. The cost of one packet is given 23 rupees and 85 paise, and you have to find cost of 16 such packets. Okay, so let's write the statement. This will be cost of one packet. Each packet means one packet. It is given rupees 23.85. Therefore, cost of 16 packets, it is given rupees 23.85 into 16. Okay, the cost of one packet is given. You have to find the cost of 16 packets. That means you will multiply. So start multiplication. 6 5s are 30, carry 3. 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, 51, carry 5. 6 3s are 80, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Again carry 2. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14. The last will be cancelled. 5, 8, 3, 2. Addition will give you 0, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, carry 1, 7, 8 and 3. Here after 2 digit the decimal point, so after 2 digit there will be the decimal point. So the answer you will write, this will be in rupees. So at the end the answer you will write that the cost of 16 packets of biscuit, 16 packets of biscuit is rupees 381.60. Okay, so this is one question from multiplication. Now one more question we will do from division part. So let's write that question number 4. Question number 4 is the cost of 17 jam bottles is rupees 901 and 85 paise. Find the cost of each jam bottle. 17 jam bottles cost is given. You have to find for one jam bottle. That means the maximum is given, the minimum you have to find. So you will divide. So what will be the statement? That cost of 17 bottles is equals to rupees 901.85. Therefore, cost of one jam bottle, here I have missed the jam, we will write jam bottles is equals to rupees 901.85 divided by 17. We will divide by 17. That means 17 outside and inside will be 901.85. So 17 5s are 85. Subtraction will give you 5. Now this 1 will come down. So again 17 3s is 51. Subtraction, both will be cancelled. Now this 8 will come down, and as you know that 8 is smaller than 17, so what you will do, you will take 0 and then you will get down this 5 again. Okay, so it will be 85. Again 17 5s is 85. Subtraction, we will get 0. From the 2 digit there is decimal point, so from the back side again 2 digit and then the decimal point. So the answer is rupees 53 and 5 paise. At the end you will write the answer that the cost of one jam bottle or each jam bottle is rupees 53.05. okay, so this is the last question today. We have revised. And one more thing I want to tell you, that one of my beloved student has told me that she is not able to see the board. Okay, so kindly, if you are facing if this type of problem, you zoom the board. Okay, it then the handwriting will be clear to you. Okay, I'm trying to write it, but still my board is small, so that's why I'm writing like that. But just if you are not able to see, you zoom the whiteboard. Okay, so practice this type of maths today. We will meet tomorrow again. So goodbye all of you.